Ivy, welcome to the coupon camp. We are going to Target to do our weekly Target couponing haul. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what kind of goodies and coupons we could use. That's my mother and my daughter in the back talking, guys. Ignore them. Okay, guys, so we are in Target again this week, and this is going on, this promotion. But as you can see, the promotion I went from buy two. It was buy three last week. This week is buy two, get a $5 gift card. So they are $11.99 and up. So what we can do is we can grab two of the Tide, which I'm stacking up on Tide this week at $11.99. Okay, and so I'm gonna go buy two Tides at $11.99. Then that's add up to $23.95. I'm going to give two $3 P&G coupons, April Tide, they're $3. It's going to take us down to $17.98. I'm going to also give them one $5 gift card. Remember what we do, our model is we flip cards. So we're going to give them one $5 gift card. That's going to take it down to $12.98. They're going to give me a $5 gift card back. After I get that $5 gift card back, I will be paying $8.98 out of pocket for two Tides. Okay, guys, so let's go on to the next. Now, also included in this deal is the Persil. These Persils. These are too, but they're just more so. And we have a $3 coupon for Persil, so we also could do Persil. Okay, so I'm going to grab two Persils at $11.99. I don't know why I tried that, guys. Two Persils. So I'm going to... My mom is going to get the two Tides, and I'm going to get the two Persils because I need to stack up on my Persil. Okay? And these are the coupons for the Tide. Come out of April P&G. And these are the ones for the Persil. Came out of the Save, Live, Love, Life. That's those. Okay? Let's move on to the next deal. Okay, guys, I found them. 9 elements, $3.99. Buy one, get one, 25% off. The coupon is for $3 each. So I'm going to grab 4 of them. So this is the deal right here. 9 elements liquid. They got one in eucalyptus and one in lemon. I only see this one left. Buy one, get one, 25% off. This is the $3 coupon, so they're 99 cents either way, but you still will get 25% off of that. And this is how the product look up close. Okay, so I'm good. I grabbed 4 of them. So they're going to be 99 cents, and then one of them going to be like 75 cents. Okay, guys, now I'm over here in the air freshener, air wick. It's a clearance on this. Look, $2.23 right here. And this is, so I'm going to grab 2 of these because, yes, I love these, and I want these right here. They are $2.23. And look, guys, they got a sale on everything. Here it is right here. More sales. So everyone I notice is doing clearances on laundry, air fresheners, all of that. Look, they got them right here. That's for that 5-pack. Let's see. I want you guys to get in. There's another one. Here's one for those. Here is the Glad pack right here. Then here's a spray. Okay, and what is these right here? Oh, look, the evergreens. The ever springs. Okay, mandarin and ginger. That smells good, guys. Here's one room spray, $3.14, but that one is gone. This is one geranium and herb, $4.19. So they have plenty of sales this week. Clearances. What's this? Fresh Wave odor removing packs. Okay. So right now, guys, I am loving the deal at Target. Okay, so here you got Dove, Love, Beauty, and Planet Suave, Vaseline hand. Buy 4, get a $5 gift card. Now, Unilever, I did a preview. They have Love, Beauty, and Planet in it. Let's look. Here, Love, Beauty, and Planet, $4 off 2, $1.50 off 1. So let's see what they have in here. Okay, guys, so I want to show you this deal. They don't have any more left, so I'm not going to do this deal. My mom actually grabbed the last of it. But see this? Eucerin, Nivea, Aquaphor lotions, and cream. Buy 3, get a $5 gift card. They're $5.49. If you buy 2, she picked up 3 of these. You're going to use this with 2, $4 off. Then the next one you're going to use the $1.50 off. So you're going to get $5.50 off 3. Flip it, of course, with a $5 gift card. Pay $5 out of pocket and get $5 back. That's a good deal. But I'm not a fan of in-shower body lotion, so that's why I'm not going to grab it. So here you could do this one. How many ounces? 6.8. See, that's not enough ounces. So, look. I think it is the body souffle. I wonder how that is. Let's see. So actually, I could do 2 of these. I could do 3 if I want to. And then use the body cream for the other one. The $1.50 off for the other one. Okay, those are really tiny though. I don't want to get that. But this one is super tiny to me. I don't think I want to get that. I'm not going to get that because I want a bigger one. I'm pondering, guys. I'm pondering. Okay, I changed my mind. Let's get on to the next deal. Now, if you guys want to do Eucerin, of course you can do Eucerin. Eucerin is at $6.99 though. But you also can use Eucerin because we got Eucerin deals for that also. And the coupons are great with those too. Okay, this is another good deal. Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. You see these, don't you guys? They are $5.99, and we have a coupon for that came out. That's a great deal too if you need Herbal Essence conditioner. They have Axe, Dove, and Mia hair care items. Also, buy 4 get a $5 gift card. Nivea shave gel. This is good. We still have a coupon on Have It With Me. It's $3.49. Buy 3 get a $5 gift card. Flip a gift card. And here's another one. Buy 4 get a $5 gift card for Dove Men's $5.19. That's another great deal if you need Dove. That's for Dove Love Beauty and Planet Suave Vaseline Hand Body Lotion. Okay, so let me go and look at the Love Beauty and Planet deodorant. Okay, here you go. Dove Love Beauty and Planet Suave Vaseline Hand and Body Lotions priced at $3.99 and up. So we do have a Dove buy 1 get 1 free. Buy 4 you get a $5 gift card. Okay, so we have that established. And then these are $7.99. Buy 2 you get $4 off. Okay guys, again, you could pull the swab. Make sure it's the ones for $3.99. So go to a $3.99 swab. This one right here. You can grab 4 of those. Okay, here is the Hefty trash bags, $9.99 and up. Buy 2 get a $5 gift card. Remember last week it was buy 3 get a $5 gift card. So any Hefty. This week is Hefty, not Glad. So you want to buy 2 of those. They are $9.99. You can grab any Hefty you want. So this week again I am grabbing more Hefty because I need it. So I am going to grab 2 more of these. Okay, and I have a $5 gift card. Of course you guys know I will be flipping these back and forth. So guys, the Hefty will be, I'll be paying $9.98 for 2, okay? And they're going to give me a $5 gift card. That's fine. These are $3.99. We have a $3 coupon, of course, so we're going to use the $3 coupon. But they also are buy 1 get 1 25% off. So 99 cents for this one and 75 cents for those. And I did pick up 4 of those. Then I got the Persil. The tie was, mother took the tie, so that was fine. They are $11.99 each. Also, actually, after I get my $5 gift card back and flip a $5 gift card, I should be paying $8.88 for both of these Persil, which is a fantastic deal. And then these, of course, I told you these sell very well in my baskets, my bundles, and they are $2.10. So I bought 2 of those. So this is my Walmart, oh my God, this is my Target haul for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you all go grab some of these deals and grab these. Even if you didn't get them for 17 cents or whatever, you still got them for 99 cents and one for 75 cents. So let's go and check out that. Hey guys, let's see what we did in Target. So this is the one that's got the Persil, the Hefty, and the Elements on there. All of the coupons came off, as you can see. You see where it say buy 2 get a $5 gift card. And then for the where is the other one? Buy 1, the Elements say buy 1 get 1 25% off. And the Hefty, buy 2 get a $5 gift card. So that's 10 cents. Let me see how much those were. So they turned it to 49 cents, guys. I'm sorry, it was 49 cents. Okay, so my subtotal was $38. $3. I got a card payment of $10. So actually $32 out of pocket. but they gave me back $10, so $22.62 for for 2 Persils, 2 Elements new dishwashing, and 2 Hefty boxes of trash bags. Guys, that's $5. $6 each. That is the perfect deal. Go do these deals, guys. I enjoy doing all of them. I hope you all enjoy. If so, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.